What's up, welcome back to my channel, Speak My Mind family. What's up to all you viewers in the diaspora? One nation family. You don't know, one nation stands alone. So I just want to say big up all my lovely supporters. you know Big up all the viewers who have not yet subscribed to the channel. I'm asking if you pass 1, 2, 3 times and stop, why not just subscribe? You understand? If you don't plan to subscribe, that simply means you're from the other side. But no problem in watching if you don't want to subscribe. But I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. And you don't know the do, just do the do. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a co-worker. Share the video in your WhatsApp, your Facebook, whatever contact you have. And do remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Yeah, link in the description and the pin in the comment section. Just hit on the link and hit subscribe and subscribe to the channel. Family oriented channel. Alright, my people? Alright. So, my people, today I come to dissect a little video with TGal, because she have a lot to say over the whole Gala situation. And I come across a video where I was listening to the early part of the video, but after probably 18 minutes into that video, when I reach a 20-minute, 22-minute video, I find that part of the video a little bit more interested. So I decided to do the latter part of the video instead of the first part that I was planning originally and doing. So I'll let you know what TGal have to say about the whole cake situation and whatsoever. And she give you like a passo, or pissle, or sizzle, or dizzle. You understand? But we all know she's going to say what she want to say, as usual, just to make herself look good and who she in defense of look good, and whatever she deal with look good. So me could get into the video now because I don't know how long, because as me I tell you, let me see, 1 minute and 30 seconds to 18 and 38 minutes second. 18 minutes and 38 seconds. That is one part of the video where me I just abandon the part there. Me just give like from the 1 minute and 30 seconds to about 4 minutes when she start the video. And then I go over upon the more interested side, where me find more interested. I want to hope you find it more interested also. So let's get into the video and listen to you guys.
Weekend. I mean, what can I say? I feel like I should have more weekends like that. The way how I feel like, I should have weekends where Marcia keeps a party every weekend and I go somewhere after that to just bug out, like I feel a little bit of life after when I do go out and enjoy myself, So, big up to Ever Blessed Marcia. One thing I have to mention, I forgot to mention this.
Before you're going to further mention anything else, people, you don't need Marcia to keep a party every week or every month for you to go out. You don't need that. You understand? You're a girl, you're a businesswoman, you have your money. There is always somewhere to go. So why you need Marcia to give a party every week or every month that you can go, and then when you go and you leave that party and you go somewhere else for a breath of fresh air, basically what you're saying. But you're just saying this because of the whole happenings and you hear it in the ear why you couldn't stay at the party and enjoy yourself. Further down you say you were at the party for a while, dancing and enjoying and taking pictures with people, and at the same time I was at the back and I was just keeping a low profile because I didn't want to take the shine from Marcia like other people would have done. We know where you're going when you say that. But I am saying you did not spend any much time at the party. And this is why you come and I said this now, to make yourself look good. But anyway, my people, let's continue because this video is going to be a very long one.
See, Marcia, the award thingies that she hands out, those are so cute. It's some microphones. And they are very cute. The awards that she give out, they're very cute. Oh my God, they're so cute. They caught my attention. And they're miniature microphones in the it's set up like awards, but they're miniature microphones. Oh my God, let me tell you, I fell instantly in love with the awards. Instantly. I was like, oh my God, those are so cute. You know, I was there for a few hours dancing up a storm, having a blast, and then I
Alright. As far as me see, and all I only see when I watch Gala, we only see when one award hands out, which is the one today, Angel. And it was a, yeah, it's a nice little symbolic award, plaque or whatsoever you want to call it. But when I see it, I was said, yes, looking good, I like it. It fit the occasion because the Angel is an artist, and same as how I was thinking of TGal to make that cake for Marcia, whether she want Marcia request that color. First of all, I think if Marcia even request that color, I feel like the cake would look better in a yellow. Since Marcia want that color, you as the designer and the cake decorator, the cake would look better in a yellow, and then you put a little purple on it, and then no, those big flowers wouldn't be what would I use. I would use like a microphone, or you know those symbols of, like when you're going to music book, you see the symbols of the music. Yeah, you use some of those and put around the cake, you know, and you put like a blue mic now, a mic with blue. Then, up at the top might be black, but down at the part where you hold your hand, have a nice blue color where you really want, because you stand up purple, you stand blue. You know, and put a mic there. Since Marcia is this type of vocal person who says she a singer, karaoke, actor, and like to use mic. You understand? I figure more or less that would be the best thing to use to more decorate the cake and bring it up. And as I say, a yellow outlook cake would be a better thing with a mic on the top, to top it off, and then around the edge of the cake you put some music symbols around the cake. You understand? But what I'm saying here, the award, you're saying you get one of the same award that the Angel get. You are not an artist. Well, you were a dancehall mattress, so I don't know if the reason why you get it because you play a part in a dancehall, why you really get it, TGal. But if those are all the awards that Marcia buy to give away with the same symbolic look, you know, sending us the same symbol, having the same symbol of sending like a musician, then I think she get them the wholesale, I get them for little, I don't know why she buy them. Because there is no way you will give a, say you give an athlete an award then at your show. Would you give an athlete one of those awards? What a microphone have to do with an athlete? You'd have to give him either depends on the type of athlete. If it's a footballer, you give him an award with a boots or a ball, a football, as in a football, yeah. If it's a runner, you give him or she a spikes, you know, or something like that. So why everybody get the same symbolic award with a microphone and you are not musician? So this ring a bell, say Marcia get these things to buy wholesale cheap. Why she do that? And this is where planning come in again and professionalism. You cannot take a microphone and give to an athlete for an award, for whatever award, humanitarian, charity, or what. You have to give him something with in a fit him feel, a spikes or something, a button. If him is a relay man, a shot put or something in a way, him in a, not a microphone. So how you TGal get one of them there? But as me say, probably, so you used to be a dancehall matcher, she just consider you in the dancehall fraternity. But let's move on.
had to leave like later on in the evening, later on in the night,
Listener excuse.
because I had some people waiting on me. But I was there for a good few hours dancing with a couple of the guests, you know, just having a blast. It was a great event. Let me tell you guys, that cake was so.
All that, you know, it's just a different what she hear in a social media, you know. Two people that say she never up personal at the camera, say she never want to take the shine from Marcia, and at the same time she go away because she'd have somewhere else to meet some people. Why would you know that you have this party for somebody who you regard as your friend, whether social media friend or personal friend? somebody who pays you to bake a cake for their gala. Well, I don't know the next set of people then pay you also to do something. But I'm saying, this is something that is in planning for over 10 years. You might not know about it for the 10 years, but you know about it for months now. So why you plan another occasion that is going to coincide with this gala? Why you never plan that other appointment or whatsoever you have, like after 12:30, 1 o'clock when you know this is going done? Why you plan it in the same time? So I find you just finding excuses.
Heavy. It was so heavy. The cake was so... I have never made such a heavy cake in my life. I did a 3-tier cake a couple of weeks back, and I don't think it was as heavy as this particular cake. This cake was heavy. Why it was heavy? That's because the bottom tier of the cake it was 10 inches on the bottom tier, and like I said in the video, it was 8 inches on top. But what made the cake heavy was that I gave Marcia an extra layer of 10-inch on the bottom tier. So that added to the weight of the cake. Oh my God, let me tell you. And don't you know, I transported the cake all the way from Westchester County to Queens, right? I knew it was going to have a really long transport, which is why I never made it a 3-tier, because transporting a 3-tier is not easy, okay? Especially in this type of weather, in this heat, it's not easy to do. Anyways, I did a 2-tier, got to the location and everything. When I got to the location, the cake was so heavy, I couldn't get it out of the back of the car because my son brought it inside of the car for me, right? And to get it out of the car, that was another struggle. So I asked this gentleman to remove the cake for me from the back of the car, and he was just like, and he smudged the entire back. When I look on the man's hand, he had purple. That man smudged. I know he was being helpful, but let me tell you, I screamed when he finally got the box out of the back seat, out of the back of the car on the floor, like it was on the floorboard on the back. Eventually, when he got the cake out of the back on the thing, out of the box, I screamed because I didn't realize that. I know he was being helpful, don't get me wrong, but I screamed. I was like, oh my God, my cake got smushed.
You fake ass nigga.
I felt like
You're
screaming.
fake.
But anyways, I had to go in and I had...
Every day this woman approves that she fake, you know. You can't know when people fake. You see when people fake, you don't see no relaxed muscles in them face. You don't see no relaxed mood about them body. You know? When them do what them do, you can't just see. It's like them just muscle up, every muscle just stand up. She are using this as an excuse because she have heard the criticism of the cake. Say the cake smash ya so, smudge ya so, dodge ya so, all kind of things. So she's coming out now to blame the cake and the weight. And then blame the cake on the man who lift out the cake. But I'm going to say this to you. You are so professional. You're such a big baker. You're supposed to have proper things, proper containers to remember now, you know, this is not like a plane the cake I take, you know. And not like the cake I fly from state to state or country to country, you know. A drive. So you are in control. You, the baker, is in control. So for a professional person, a big baker, you should have buy proper containers that you can pack this cake in to hold this cake and cushion this cake together for it not to be damaged. If so be the case, as what you have said, a damaged cake damaged while transporting. You understand what I'm saying? Because if you have proper container to put this cake in and you properly put this cake in your car at a proper spot, if I ever tape it down, you understand what I say to you? This cake wouldn't get this damage. So you have no excuse about the damage of the cake if so be the case and a damage. And this is not damage. Because all up in them edge, them you know the man and not go up in the edge of the second layer there where we say rumble up and rough cut. Like rough cut banner play down a son's face. But basic come in. Rough cutties. You understand? Not rough cutting, or rough cutties. So you just look at excuse because you hear what's going on in social media. So you come out in defense of what you hear are going in a social media. You can't fool no sensible people, man. And no fly the cake fly where we could have said, alright, the pilot no know around there and the pilot no busy around them, just a fly. Ear pocket, reach plane and plane, him not have nothing to do with that. Cake get damaged or so be the case. And at the same time, proper packaging will help the cake from get damaged because you know so fly the cake I go fly. Me see when Kris and a pack cake, you know, and him say it I go fly, him show you different packages when Kris a pack him cake them for fly, you know. And him tell you say this will damage and this will possibly happen and this, but this is the best way to try to prevent it. And him show you him packages and him package and him tell you why this better, because this keep the cake close together and you pin the cake so thick the cake. So if you did put the cake in proper packaging to hold the cake together, you understand? It would be far better than how we see the cake presented. And we know it's just excuse. That's the finishing touch of the cake. Because you're not technical. Anyway, my people, me now going to further in another part of the video, yeah, as me say. I find the other side a little bit more interested. So let's go over to the other side now. Alright. Well, we all know Kris comes out and him say him 2 cents towards the system because him is a baker and him is not a good baker and her and she better on him and she this. So you know, after in seeing this presentation and this cake, you know, no care where Kris there, he might go come out at it. So she has said the man there on him vacation all the way on that at Dubai and whatsoever, and him find time for her and what. Yes, you would have find time also. You gotta do your breast. And before you think about the after effect and all those things and your healing process, you were on your life talking about people. You understand? And that is life and death. Him there's somewhere on a vacation and enjoying birthday. So nothing wrong if him come talk about your mess. Your mess is your mess, so somebody going to talk about it. Just as how you would have come out and talk about people's mess. Because anybody else would bake that cake. That same cake. That same look, everything. For the whole week you criticize. For the whole week you have it on your phone screen and show. So why people must criticize your one? Anyway, listener now, because Kris time now, you know. She said Kris are mad out.
I'm mad them, I'm mad out. I like that song they say. I'm mad them, I'm mad out. I mean, you're telling me that how you gonna be mad on vacation? Like, how you gonna be mad on vacation? Anything for get my mud on vacation is probably something that happened on my vacation. How you gonna...
You did mad on your surgery, which is life and death. Vacation is not life and death. Vacation is about happiness and expressing yourself. You understand? And this is what he's doing. He's expressing his happiness for that messed up cake that he have baked. You understand? Simple. You might express same way in a different way.
take time out of your vacation driving around like I'm on somebody on vacation talking about Tina Chin and her business? How you gonna be mad on vacation? Like, it's just crazy to me. Oh my God. I'm on me, I'm on old. Like, isn't that crazy? I mean, and the funny thing about it is that you can see the discomfort. I mean, Marcia wanted a cake that had life. Marcia didn't want a dead cake. You know, she didn't want...
What you just said a while ago? Marcia wanted a cake that have life? She did not want a dead cake? No, sir. I wonder if I the opposite way she said it, or she just flipped the script. Marcia want a live cake, but she give Marcia a dead cake because Marcia is... I wonder if I the other way around. No, sir, this not sound good. Marcia want a live cake, a cake that looking lively, and you present such a dead cake? Hey, the cake, every day goes by, I have different, you know, thoughts about the cake and description about the cake. Who remember back in the days, like in the 80s, when them, you know, them chalk figure read a lick. Yeah. Where Bounty Killer and them man they used to sell back in the days, and you have them big vault like bucket and them whole of plastic flowers just stuck in it. You know, so that's how the rotted cake look. Like them big old vault back in the days with the whole of plastic flowers them stuck in it, and your parents would have broke it so, for just to get a shape in the vault. All that look better on the cake. So I don't know where you come and tell people about cake with life. Cake with what? Cake with all of them they don't have tranquility and madden. You know we don't have tranquility and madden? I saw the cake look.
Cake that just looked like, oh, cake. You know, she wanted a cake that had life and vibrancy, and she also wanted a cake that tasted good. She made the right decision. She made the right decision, and I did put my hand.
Me wouldn't want you. After saying this, say Marcia make the right decision. If I even Marcia make the decision, me wouldn't want you to consult me. Because if you ever say the woman make the right decision, if she make the decision, you're not ready.
That cake, like what she requested. Yes, I did. Which is why I have my promo on the website right now. If you guys want to sample the cake, you can log on to teenageandcakes.com. And also the rumcakelab.com website is up and gunning. Okay, so I have two websites. Go low. No, you go high. Give them a coupon code. Yes, that's how you deal with it. That's how businesses deal with it. Give them a coupon code. Pan Smout. Yes. You ordered your pan smout cake? Thank you. Thank you for taking advantage of the coupon code. Nice promotion. That's how you do it. No, don't go toe-to-toe with them croonies.
Your sister, you are mad out. Because honestly, me know Kris would never ever make a coupon promoting any cake regarding your name. But you are promote your business using a nickname that you have given to him. Pansmouth coupon. Use the code Pansmouth coupon cake or whatsoever. Kris would never use your name. Because you don't recognize to him like that. But you have to use him name and the woman at town to sell your business, and it has been proven every day. That is what you do. Use the two people them to sell your business. Because those are the two bakers where have you eat it and uneasy in a life.
Remember, he's very stagnant. Yes, remember that individual is very stagnant. He's like a big boulder by the seaside. He's like a seashell by the seashore. He hasn't moved. He hasn't moved. Different tidal waves came and went. You know, you have, what do they call that? When the waves, when the high.
Why, if you're going to say Kris stagnant, what you do? You're wagnant. If you say Kris stagnant, you're wagnant. Because since me coming on social media, I see the man with a big storefront, and I see him rent somewhere else again, which is two. I don't know if I whether warehouse or fair house or dear house. But the only thing I've seen you done is come out of your kitchen / bathroom, washroom, and rent one little place, one little space, not place, space, not place, you know, space. To bake when you have certain enormous amount of cupcake, not cake now, cupcake to bake. You rent the little space for $50 where you can hardly pay. You understand? So when you go say the man stagnant, what you mean? If I'm business you talk about, can't stagnant because me see where the man a move. Me not see where you a move. So if he means him stagnant, you're wagnant. And if it's like financial wise, Kris a fly actually every month, every other month. Right now I just see I do buy him there. A man is stagnant and not earning. You understand? Can't do that. Because if I even credit card you take a fly, you have to pay your credit card bill. So you have to know which part the money come from. You understand? And if you run up your credit card bill and can't pay it and still a fly, where you get the money from? So what is the definition of stagnant? Would I like no? Because if the other way around when you say somebody stagnant and them a move, let me know. Because you are the educated one here, not me. Not Speak My Mind people, not One Nation people. You are the educated one. So let us know.
What you call it when the river go up and down? What you call them? Different tides, and he's still sitting there. Haven't moved one bit. All 30 years of his life, he has never moved. 30 years of stagnancy, he has not moved. You know, in the Bible, I shall not.
Tell me if she know have something wrong with her upstairs. Them boy mash up her downstairs. Yeah, huh? Back in the days in the dance hall, them mash up her downstairs. So right now, to her downstairs mash up, it's like she fear when she come from upstairs, you know, downstairs, you know, and step for step now for come down, you know. So you have to be a jumping for jump her from upstairs. So it come like she knock her upstairs and mash up her upstairs. Yes, that's how me see it.
You know, when his husband is in Trinidad getting his shit on, yeah, he drives around aimlessly, yeah. So you mean to tell me that while you're on your very expensive vacation, you've been driving around, just talking about me? Just talking about me?
Yeah, same thing you do.
Ah,
Same thing you do.
just talking about me? Me? I am here trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out life still. You should have just put me in your suitcase and bring me. Jesus. I'm on your vacation and I'm not even on there.
You can't afford
I'm
to
not
go.
even there. And I'm on vacation with you. Jesus.
You know you're not glad to go.
I didn't want to be too upfront in the event because that's just who I am. It's not my moment. It's Curly's moment. I am not enough. I'm not up in the middle for show off and go out with myself because on my party, it wasn't my moment. It was Curly's moment. Unlike certain people, I know if I dance back and hold my corner and make other people shine. You know, I don't like to mess with other people's shine. Okay? It wasn't my moment. It's Curly's moment. So for everybody who was asking for Tina Chin, I was there. I was just holding my back and I mind my business and I give her shine. You know, it was Curly's night. It's not my night. You understand me? It was Curly's night, not my night. So big up to Curly. I loved her.
Listen, there was a lot more to it why you take a back seat. There's a lot more to it, and that's why you run out of the party quick, and tell yourself, say, and come and tell people, say, you did have other engagement when you never have nothing else. Because you could have never known, say, Curly have this gala where you have baked the cake so you know from months out, if you even know from the 10-year ago wait a plan, and you really plan something else and somewhere else to go. But guess what, me know? Your dress, one, wasn't appropriate. Two, it never looked good. Especially for the occasion. And it's just a few weeks ago, you dip on your live, I criticize Nana Lynn, I criticize Rose, I criticize Lot, and I criticize everybody. We are going to Miss Princess, Brusho, Gala. And I criticize them clothes and how them clothes look like all wardrobe settings and rare. And what them have on, Lord, whoa, no sir. Them don't know how to dress. And you did not know how to dress. Because that big old plastic sitting where I show up your elephantitis left foot where you have. Because let me see, you stand right, if I look on you on the camera, it would be your left foot, right? Your left foot will swell up. You understand? And your toe them were in shape, they don't look so good. And the whole around your ankle we are black. Before you go find time and look after that, where you would have sit down and criticize the next person if you did see them looking like that. You would have sit down and criticize them. But guess what, me know? You come on live, criticize other people when you have this big old swelling foot when you look like one elephantitis your outfit have. Before you go take time out and go to the doctor and go see if you have poor blood circulation or see what is going on with your foot. Because this is not the first time your foot has been exposed. You understand? This is not the first time your foot has been exposed. Months ago I post a video with your foot same way and you told them. So basically, well, people say a beard, you're not a beard. Well, I know that. I know that. This is some medical issue you have. Which me now go take it cuss you or tell you. Because as me say, me not in a phone to cuss nobody about them medical issues because sickness no put on for nobody special. But a person like you will find so much time to involve and insert yourself in other people's business and things like this, you would have take it and point out because me hear you upon your live a cuss 13 about a alleged foot where she have. You understand? And when you get back a dose on the medicine, you cry out foul. Look on your foot, your left foot, or it black. You can see the difference between your left and your right foot. So something is wrong. But you don't see that. But if I did somebody, you would have see it. And that is the reason why your run left the party. It's not because you don't want to take Marcia shine. Because Marcia don't tell you say nobody can take fear shine. So don't come with that poor excuse. There was a lot more things behind it. Why you leave the party? Not because you have other engagement.
Night, and you know, even though I'm a very public person, I'm a public figure and I'm a popular figure, I know how to
popular
work a
figure in a one little circle, so
you know, if people
popular
see me, them
figure
see me,
in a one little
I'll sit
circle,
in the
so not
corner.
even one
But it
big
was
so.
great seeing her. Her dress was beautiful.
In a one little tiny circle.
Her
so.
first dress, her purple and yellow dress, as you know, I did the cake
but in a one
to
little
match
tiny
her
circle.
purple and yellow dress, and she had a lot of bling with the feathers. She was just, her dress was like her personality, just very much off. The colors were amazing, the feathers in her hair, the head wrap. It's beautiful. And then she changed off into the second dress. Was it pink? I think it was pink or red. And that dress was like, mwah. That dress fit her body to a T. Me no business what about want to say, but Curly look better than certain people in her clothes. As much as they're talking negatively about Curly, and we're all women here.
But here I know, you got to show your word. Curly, me not lie. Curly, with your big, dirty yellow tongue. I don't know how your tongue can yellow so if you act girl and say you're nice and you're this and you're that. But as I said in a previous video, your tongue stain over a period of time because of you using your upstairs, taking, you know, your tongue stain over a period of time. So now brushing and them sitting the normal brushing, they can't get rid of that. Curly look better than some people in a clothes. I'm not lie. You have to fit yourself in that too. Because, as me say, me never see you look elegant yet. Or when me go through your page and I look upon you, when me hear you talk about elegancy and dressing and clothes, I never ever see you dress elegant. I never ever see you looking good. All you believe in, because you don't have no confidence and no self-esteem in yourself, you know. So where you believe in now, skimpy wimpy clothes to bring you half. If the shorts are tight up on your crotch or your ass, and your breast them now well, one time you never used to show the slippers them because the heel it pop off. So now you got a doctor and put on like a heel pan the slippers them now. You find say a beer up your so a show now and skimpy wimpy. You understand? And that's where your confidence is. You can wear a nice elegant dress and figure more or less say you look good. Unless you're in a skimpy wimpy clothes. You just check your clothes them where you wear. Not to mention as me say you do them yeah. Pure skimpy and showing and exposing your body. That's how you feel like you look good. Because cover up, you know you definitely not look good and you won't get a and look on it what day. When you put on that orange skimpy wimpy something when you leg out the tits them for the first time after surgery. You said it. You can't believe say not even one man no see and say psst, psst, or not one man no beg your number. You say it. So me I talk off what you said. So if you come and say, do like when Marcia say, she talk things just soon run with it. We know when you are serious. Because that was nothing for you to say at the time when you have said, if nobody run with nothing. But you were just surprised to see, oh, you're just actually skimpy wimpy and your boobs out for the first time after surgery and you don't hear psst, 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 boy, you look good or somebody want your number. Yeah, that's it.
Our personality fits that. Not everybody can command attention and you know what I mean? Yeah, some people will just love attention and them not look good. Curly commands attention because she knows she's gonna give you a show. Now I understand what she's talking about when she says she's a big deal.
You that, you know, because after the whole criticism and critics what you give to Miss Princess Brochure and fear dress that she wear to the gala and our guests them say them are all clothes government and I be a old wardrobe clothes them they somehow long time outdated clothes and whatsoever. You understand? Look from when that. And since then I have not seen you dress anywhere better. And even when me dig up your past and look on your page, me not see you dress anywhere better. And you have an opportunity. Two opportunity you get, you know, to present a proper cake to gain some customers and establish your business more. Or establish your business, because me I talk about more like your business established. And to come prove to the world that you can properly dress and dress elegant and you know quality and you have taste and come at that gala for curly, well presented. Make we can say, no sir, this a girl a dirty minded, she rotten minded, she bad minded, she corrupt minded, she savage minded, she all kind of minded. But me nah lie. Cause all me would say it, me nah lie and talk. All me that come out and say, hey girl, hey dancehall mattress, you look good. Me nah lie, you look good, me like your dress, me like your dress. And it fit, it just sit down upon you. Like when Hubert Bartley, the jockey from Jamaica, sit down pass, I came on a spark, I come round the 2 furlong. Yeah, man, would I give a compliment there? But look how you turn up. Look how you turn up. Not even one of them back to Gala or 2 mile gal that turn up at an event like that. Because one thing, the gal them living at the ghetto and living at the slum, but me can tell you this, them gal they have taste. Them have taste. When it come on, if it dress to the occasion, them ready. Anywhere the money if it come from. When at the Bugu Yaga time, a Bugu Yaga time. You understand? So, a 2 opportunity you get to prove yourself, Amasia Gala, with the cake and your presentation and how you present yourself in your clothes and your expensive dress, your elegant look. And you feel the 2 of them. But you see that they on phone and criticize others over the same thing.
She's gonna give you a show. You know, she's gonna command the attention. Look at me, Ray, I'm grand, I'm a diva, you know. Yes. Accept people for that. It's not like her personality is negative. It's not like she's a nasty person. Just accept that good person. You know, why would not promote the woman and make the woman come out a character? Which is why I went above and beyond for her cake. That cake went over budget, but I went...
The same plate of food on the shirt, I same plate of food with the show too.
I did it because I know people would be looking forward to the cake. I knew all eyes would be on the cake, and I wanted to make her happy. You know, because if you know, Curly is very hard to please. That's just who she is. You know, she likes her fandangos and stuff.
Why I don't want you to make me happy? Building a cake for me, especially a cake like that, because if you do that to make she feel happy, why me I tell you, you're dangerous. Yeah, me don't know.
And sporting this cake, it was friggin' hot that day, and I just stuck with the gold because you don't want to put too much on the cake. When it comes to classy cakes, you don't want to put too much because it's gonna look tacky and it's gonna look corny.
TGal have a lot to say. A lot to say. I don't know that my father have a lot to say. But all she has say just be an excuse to defend herself and her faulty messy cake where she make for Marcia. TGal have a lot to say. Lot to say. TGal have a lot to say. Just because she knows she make a messy full cake for Marcia, she just have a lot to say. And Marcia fall for it. Marcia fall for it. But remember, Marcia tell us she a hypocrite. Marcia fall for it. But TGal remember Marcia tell us she a hypocrite. Remember when she tell you about AD cake, she taste the cake and it make she have diarrhea, it make she constipated. She never like how the cake tastes, but she tell AD say the cake is nice, so she a hypocrite. TGal have a lot to say. TGal have a lot to say. Marcia buy into it, but Marcia soon come tell you all about it. TGal look out for it. If you can put yourself together and put yourself together that way then, go have something. People, remember now, you know, as a lot of people in the comment section all over different platforms are saying, a birthday party is a birthday party. You understand? A gala is a notch above a birthday party. A birthday party is right here. So basically, you know, you can't just normal, casual if you go to a birthday party. Based on the person who for birthday. Because if it's a man like me where just normally they're just alright in our tees and our jeans and, you know, my desert or a crepe or whatsoever, or slippers, yes, if preferable, because I'm a slippers type of person. You know, nothing wrong if you come and you dress just the same way. and put yourself together. But if you go one party, say you go one birthday party, then for a celebrity, put it this way. A celebrity, but you have celebrity in different classes. Because, alright, let's say Joe Biden, President of America, a celebrity. Alright. Let's say, what am I say now? Let's say Shaggy or one of those entertainers, they're a celebrity. But they're a celebrity below a notch of Joe Biden. So Joe Biden, you might want a little, might suit wearing or whatsoever, while Shaggy or one of the entertainer them, Jay-Z or one of them man they would have want. That's a normal thing. Not no worry. So I'm saying a gala is above birthday celebration. And at the same time, it was all out there promoting that dress elegant. Dress elegant. No boob showing, no skimpy wimpy. Dress elegant. And that is the way you dress and you say you can't put yourself together. Whether you did come to stop at the party for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and move on to somewhere else. The hype and the type and the right and the white where you is. If say for instance, you dress to suit the other place where you are go. It shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be the case. You should dress to suit mass your party and then now you find a way and know a way out how you're going to change, which there must be restroom at the place a master keep a party where you could have go and change over into that dress where you want to wear go to the next place. So I don't see no excuse there. And you come on phone, come talk about you know for put yourself together. Which part of you know for put yourself together, man? Stop fool yourself, man. That's all you do in a phone. Fool yourself.
Yeah, but Miss Lady, her yard a bake from her house. Some of them understand what the problem is. She a bake from her yard. Some of them understand how them are have a problem. She don't have a bakery either. Does she have a bakery? And her standards when it comes on to food is not as high as my standards that I have to comply with here in America. So I don't understand those people. Why aren't they picking on her? She's in Jamaica baking from her home, and she doesn't have the documents that I have in order to prepare food. She doesn't have a serve safe.
One, let me correct you upon this. She they are home a bake just as you. But the thing is, everybody can see her open space where she a bake. From where potato are cut up, from where things are stored, things are come out of taxi go, we can see everything. We can see when it are going in a oven, we see when butter mix, we see when this are pour in, we see when this are take out, we see when this are taste. We not see nothing for you. So it's a total different thing. So don't come compare yourself with your little close up area where your washer there and your kitchen there and your domestic thing there. You understand? And now the woman build her place even bigger, despite there's a lot of bakery. You have. Especially back in the days where some China people used to own bakery. All one of them did bun down a Salt Lane, this and Spanish Town Road and the dog and everything. Yeah, lock and gone home. You understand? Them Lakai country, the people them. I see same place that the people them did live. And even now, you have bakery where people still live. So what that have to do with it? It's not where you live and where you do your bakery. It's how you keep your place and which part people can see. Next thing you say, the woman have the documentation where you have. If which part you the America allow you to have 3 inspection a day, or a week, or a month, and Jamaica only allow to have 1 a year. I know the woman problem that. That no means that you better than her because you get 3 a month or 3 a day. So, where you try differentiate, where you try, me not understand where you try. Because at the same time, when the inspector come, the health inspector come and the sanitary inspector come and them inspect your place and whatsoever, you can do your best because you know they are coming. But after them gone, all kind of things start again. You understand? All kind of things start again. Me see one of your comment talk about what? Some water business. The dirty black tank water. And them know which part you get water from. Oh, hold on. A Jamaica this. No water in the world no better than Jamaica water. So get a hold of yourself. And if you compare water, we would have to compare your water now. Because from me I grew until now, the type of water when me here say we don't have. You understand? If it's anything to go by and if anything true, you can't compare your water with the water the woman I use. Real Jamaican water. Just continue to listen to this dumbass nigga.
Prep certifications that I have. You understand me? She's not legally registered to bake from her home. You know, so what's the problem? Why aren't they putting her?
This is an educated person who live we America. Never meet the woman at Mountain View yet. Never have any deep conversation with this woman and the woman never tell her business yet. So how you know she not certified to bake from her home? How you know she not have certain certificate? So when you come on the phone and come on your live, come talk, say you just get certified from the New Jersey Health and Sanitary Department and people will believe you. But when AD come on the live and say, well, she just sanitary inspector just come and them inspect her place and this and that, and she just send A, B, C, D, Ghana food and glass to get them food and glass permit and them come back and we must not believe her. But me want to know who would I believe. We want to know who we da believe. If we wouldn't believe AD, are you we are gonna believe?
Who is not even that individual's cake business is not even on my business level. My business is on a bigger level than hers. So I don't understand what's y'all's problem. Y'all are just dying because my business is on a bigger level than hers. Come on. Y'all just bitter.
Oh God.
My business is on a bigger level. Okay. Okay, my water was tested, my place is inspected, I'm registered, I'm licensed in 2 states.
Rain a come, people, rain. We could have to go move to finish the video, yeah. Rain a come.
Exactly, Charmaine. They need to stop.
So are your water alone tested? Are your place alone visited by sanitary inspector? Because you're in America and you know we are going on 99. People, if I them are people here who know say are educated people who have, I don't know people with on our page. Me who want book out in a real life and tell me say go left. Because if you tell me say go left, me I go right. How can you go say no, your business bigger than AD business and way and what? When you say big, what you mean? AD have not baked since Christmas. And you have a cake business where you have baked day to day, year in, year out. And you have not made 10% of what AD makes since Christmas. And your business big? When Christmas time and you have bake, you can't see where you have bake. All you can see one little 10 cake from one table and push out from one little dirty trolley. Big America, first world country, 10 cake and push out from one little dirty trolley. 5 cake. Sometimes we don't even have to box them empty. Because probably sometimes I'll box them empty. Because the way you want to stay on a phone, you don't do anything to prove to the world, say yes, this is going just like what you had to know. Because you are trying to tell the people them in a phone, say your business is bigger and blooming better than 99 one. Jesus, peace. And 99 can't sit down on a bake for the next 2 years. 99 can't sit down on a bake for the next 2 years and put in away her contract money where she have and live off her cake money where she bake in a December gone. And you can't sit down not even 2 months and not bake. And pay your bills. Much as live off it for 2 years. So all your business better than. Uno dance people just come in a phone, come and fool people. And the people them are really done so true, you know. All them the people they just get done, sir. Because when them listen to all, you know, Jesus, peace, them just run it down, you know, and say. Just like you support them where you have over there. Trust me, just like you support them where you have over.
Each other and stuff like that. Y'all need to stop that. Because at the end of the day, if she was a better person, we wouldn't be here. Okay? So what does that tell you? It does tell you that she and her cronies are not good people. And y'all groups who are a part of this, like, planka bullshit, nonsense, riots bullshit, like, y'all are some demons. Y'all is real demonic people. Y'all are evil, demonic people that need to go to hell in a real life. Like, seriously, you do. Because y'all brought nothing but hate on social media. Y'all are not about love and unity and all of the other stuff. Y'all about hate and bitterness. Look at your leaders. Your leaders are about envy. Look at the leader of this so-called royals group. Look at how bitter it is. It's very bitter and envious. Why? Because I can bake better than it. And my cakes look better than its.
Whoa, make a big one mango leaf.
Fondant.
Big one mango leaf. I feel like I eat a mango.
You peel that shit off your cake. Nobody. Fondant
Would I
is
eat
so
mango leaf more than I eat
1990s.
your
Who
cake?
eats fondant?
Would I eat a mango leaf than eat your cake?
Nobody eats fondant.
You're all off of ourselves.
Let me tell you, it's just upset because I'm beating it at its own craft.
You hear the fake laugh? Big fake laugh just to make herself feel comfortable. Put herself at ease to believe what she has said.
It's just bad. It's just bad.
Big old yellow tongue along out.
You know, I don't freeze no cakes. I don't freeze cakes. No. No, I don't freeze cakes, guys. I don't freeze cakes. And no. You can eat my whole cake.
People, this girl is a... Hey, may I tell you? This girl is something else. You know what? Let me tell you what I see with them. Them would want to take a hot knife and juke you with it. And if you take a matchstick stick and a juke them with it, you do them the worst thing. But when them they take a hot knife and juke you, it was nothing to them. This is how these people stay on a phone. Watch out, people. How much of them can do this? You don't know if I'm there? Me just transform. Me just move because rain come as me tell you now. I am a foul cub me there. What me say? I am a foul cub. Watch it. Let me see. This is one section. This is like a 10 by 10. Let's say you have a 12 by 12. Then you have another 10 by 10. Then you have a 12 by 12. You check that. 2 10 by 10s space. Because you don't know the space them small up to the amount of chicken. And when them grow bigger and bigger, we transfer them. So there's 2 10 by 10 space and 2 12 by 12. How much on the bedroom big, so? We come on phone and come and exalt on yourself and people. Eh? How much on you? And a gully side this me live pan. And on a capture land this. And this and a capture. You understand? Because I feel like so when people live in a ghetto, everything where them have a capture. You understand? 2 10 by 10 and 2 12 by 12. 10 by 10 are when the chicken them young based on the amount of chicken at the time. Yeah, when them get bigger, we put them in the 12 by 12 them and separate them. Anyway, people, back to this. You know, I could hear them. The final part of the video this. When you go and hear rain from the house stop. So
Is
listen
this
up.
for real? The man are getting them feelings. Oh, I'm a kid, it's smudge up. I'm a kid, this. I'm a kid, this. That's why I didn't come out for him. I didn't come out for him because I wanted you guys. I didn't want to create any noise around what he was saying. Because I wanted you guys.
So where the lie there Kris did that tell? Everybody in a phone see it. Round the rim of the cake, if you don't look on the thumbnail of the video before this, when I put up her foot and put up she and put up the cake, you don't see the red arrow them a pint. And because I know that the thumbnail was so big that part of it have a cut out. The cake was even so messy that even the yellow flowers, when you look on it, the whole of the purple or the blue from the cake, depend the yellow, you will never see Kris do that. Come see how some little fingernail sitting catch pan different part of the cake. And Kris make sure you wipe it out or him polish it out, you have to take it out or whatsoever. You have to talk about who eat fandals? Who eat fandals? Who eat them big old dirty 99-cent rose there, as what the people them say. Who eat them there? Now on the cake you put it. Eh? You put this big old fandal, this big old flowers, 99-cent flowers. Nobody can eat that. Nobody ever eat that. So we have to talk about who eat fondals. Who eat fondals. Oh, for me, so there's no way. When me sit with my own eye, you in a Kris class of baking, decorating, you have no technical skill. And we don't even know if he's a baker. Because me say, we never see you mix no butter yet from scratch and put it in the oven. So you no baker for me.
thing on it too. Friend me now pants mouth. A time now, you for give a girl our flowers. Give
Yeah,
them a
look
good,
friend
good
man,
flowers
so you
then.
try
Yeah.
to gain friendship in
Like the
any
real
means,
flowers them will
shape or
put on the
form.
cake. A time now you forgive me my flowers. I'm just laughing at this.
After your
This man
behavior,
is over
nobody
there
no want a
spewing so
friendship
much
from you,
hate, and
trust
I'm
me.
just laughing. I don't even take it. I'm like, okay, whatever, dude. It's just rolling
You're the type of
off
behavior
of my back
I
like
never
water.
want friendship from you.
Mighty God. Can somebody be so evil? You know why? Because, let me tell you, him frig up himself, him go malice Marcia and cuss out Marcia and call her all sort of shit. Let me tell you, even if
So what Marcia did I do for Chris? Marcia and Chris wasn't even this companion or this acquaintance based on when me come see in a phone. So when Marcia say him figure up himself when him got this and that. Marcia insert herself in the man business, you and her, and team up with Sophia. For tell lie upon the man. So the man must come out, come defend himself, and come out against Uno with team up against somebody. The man just sit down and take Uno and give to him. He just come back to me and say, Uno want to stick a man with a knife. And when a man stick with a match, stick on a ball out. But the man must ball out when he not stick him with a knife.
even if Marcia was using me against him, she did a good play. Trust me. Good play, Marcia. Good play.
Want
You
to
understand me?
fall in a
Whatever
year,
happens going forward,
like
this
him,
was
it's
a
okay
damn
for
good
you.
play on your part, Marcia, because you hit him where it hurts. Yeah, man. Nightmares that have enough. Yeah, man. Good play, Marcia. Good play. Me even say, Princess, she did a post cake. A post one.
People, video gone so 1 minute, so here we come to the end of the video, Just give thanks and praise to life and make sure on the surrounding clean are people like these. Nobody like them around, So do all what you have to do to test all of who they around, Sometimes we do some things willfully to see the reaction of some people where they around, we say them love, them a family, them a relative, them a friend to the end, them have your back. Just do some things out of the way sometimes just to test them. When you are going to do it, you say it to somebody else, so at least you have proof. Say you just do it or you record it and say, look, come here, go test that one with this now. So you didn't record it days or hours before. So you have the proof to show them, say, I test you because I just want to see the type of person you is. If he is with me, you really have my back. Are you willingly and readily to come tell me my deeds what you know about? Just because I said that to you. So speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Just do the do. Thumbs up. Watch the ads. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Hit the subscription button and give the channel a subscription. You understand? Thanks for watching again. So I'm out for now. Bless upon yourself. We're going up like age and we're not coming down. We're not fake the thing. Out.